Hey everyone, I'm Erica and welcome back to the channel. If you're battling stuffy rooms, allergies, or just want cooler, cleaner air without the noise of separate fans and purifiers, then get ready to chill because today we're reviewing the Dyson Purifier Cool PC1. HEPA Air Purifier Tower Fan, this all-in-one device combines powerful HEPA H13 filtration to capture 99.95% of pollutants, as small as 0.1 microns, a bladeless fan for safe, smooth airflow up to 350 litres per second, auto mode with air quality sensors for smart adjustment, oscillation up to 90 degrees for wide coverage, night mode for quiet sleep, and app control for remote monitoring. Grab it on Amazon through the link in the description, and trust me, if you want a purifier fan that's quiet, effective for rooms up to 800 square feet, and stylish for any home, this is the one that'll refresh your space. Most importantly, click the referral link in the video description to get yours. Let's break down the features on the Dyson Purifier Cool PC1. This tower has a sleek, modern design in white or black that's tall and slim to fit in corners without taking space, with no exposed blades for safety around kids or pets. The filtration is advanced with a fully sealed HEPA H13 filter that traps dust, pollen, pet dander, bacteria, and ultrafine particles, plus an activated carbon layer to absorb odors, gases, and VOCs from cooking or cleaning. Built-in sensors monitor PM2.5, PM10, VOCs, and NO2 in real time, displaying air quality on the LCD screen or My Dyson app with color-coded graphs. Auto mode detects pollution and ramps up purification and cooling speed from 1 to 10, then quiets down when air is clean to save energy. The air multiplier technology amplifies surrounding air for a powerful, even breeze without choppiness, with oscillation up to 90 degrees for room-wide distribution. Night mode uses the lowest speed with dimmed display for undisturbed rest at just 40 decibels. Connectivity includes Wi-Fi for app control to schedule, set timers, or use voice with Alexa, Siri, or Google Assistant. It's energy efficient using low power in auto mode, and the filter lasts up to 12 months with easy replacement alerts. Setup is simple. Plug in, connect to app, and it's purifying and cooling in minutes. Priced around $300, it's built durable with a 2-year warranty. Now, pros and cons to keep it balanced. The pros are refreshing. Effective HEPA filtration that cleans air quickly and quietly for allergy relief. Dual purifier and fan function that cools while purifying without blades. Smart sensors and auto mode for hands-free operation. Wide oscillation and powerful airflow for even coverage in medium rooms. App and voice control for convenience. And a stylish design that looks premium. Users rave about reduced sneezing, fresher smells, and how it doubles as a fan in summer. On the con side, the price is higher for basic needs. No dedicated formaldehyde filter if that's a concern. Oscillation is limited to 90 degrees, so not full room swing. And the tower height might not suit low ceilings. A few mention the app can be glitchy on older phones, but overall, the pros dominate for multifunction use. My recommendation? Absolutely go for the Dyson Purifier Cool PC1 if you need combined cooling and cleaning. And the pros like quiet operation, smart features, and effective filtration make sense for your home. It's perfect for living rooms, bedrooms, or offices. Before we wrap, if these reviews cool you down, hit subscribe for more gear guides. And click that affiliate link in the description. It supports the channel and scores you the current deal. Finally, use the link below for the best pricing and special promotional pricing from Rick's Review Hub. Thanks a bunch for watching. If this helped, give it a like, share with a friend who needs fresh air, or subscribe for more. See you next time.